Gluten allergy, more commonly referred to as gluten intolerance or celiac disease, is a condition where the body's immune system reacts negatively to gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. The reasons behind gluten allergies or intolerance can be complex and are generally understood as follows. Genetic predisposition. Individuals with certain genetic markers, specifically HLA-DQ2 and HLA-DQ8, are more susceptible to celiac disease. These genes are involved in the immune system's response to gluten. Immune system reaction. In celiac disease, the ingestion of gluten triggers an autoimmune response. The body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own tissues, particularly the lining of the small intestine, leading to inflammation and damage. Some individuals experience symptoms similar to celiac disease, but without the autoimmune response or intestinal damage. The exact cause of non-celiac gluten sensitivity is still under investigation, but may involve different immune system pathways. All right, let's talk about environmental factors. Introducing gluten into an infant's diet too early or too late has been suggested as a potential factor in developing celiac disease. Additionally, certain viral or bacterial infections and imbalances in gut microbiota might increase the risk of developing gluten intolerance. Moving on to the symptoms of gluten intolerance. Digestive issues such as bloating, diarrhea, constipation, and abdominal pain are common. Due to damage in the small intestine, individuals with celiac disease may suffer from nutrient deficiencies, leading to conditions like anemia. Dermatitis herpetiformis is a skin rash associated with celiac disease. Neurological symptoms can include headaches, depression, and cognitive impairment. Other symptoms might be fatigue, joint pain, and weight loss. Now, let's discuss diagnosis and treatment. Blood tests for specific antibodies like IgA and genetic testing can help diagnose celiac disease. An intestinal biopsy is often performed to confirm the diagnosis. The primary treatment for celiac disease and gluten intolerance is a strict gluten-free diet. This involves avoiding all foods and products containing wheat, barley, and rye. In conclusion, gluten intolerance, including celiac disease and non-celiac gluten sensitivity, arises from a combination of genetic predisposition, immune system response, and environmental factors. The condition can lead to a wide range of symptoms and requires a gluten-free diet to manage effectively. Understanding the underlying causes can help individuals and healthcare providers better diagnose and treat these conditions.